In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change VPN location on your iPhone. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm having a VPN called Turbo VPN. So it might differ from your case, it might be any other VPN. So in order to change the location, what you need to do is, first of all, we have two methods. The first one, get into the Turbo VPN or whatever the VPN that you're using, you have to open your VPN. And once you get into the VPN, you might have either an option for the Turbo VPN. You can see at the top there is a location icon. If I tap on it, if I do like this, I'll be getting these options. But for other users, you might be having an option for servers. So what you need to do is you have to tap on that. And from here, if I wanted to change to any other locations like Canada, Costa Rica, Mexico, Panama, United States, I'm going for the United States here. And right now, if I want to change into something here for the Chicago, what happens is this is actually premium. I need to do a subscription. This might be the case for most of the VPN that you're using right now. So what you need to do is you need a premium subscription so you can change it. So you have to take the desired location and just tap on it. Make sure that if you're having the subscription, you can directly change the location and you can use it. This is how we can do it in one way. And other than this one is all about, you have to go over here to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the VPN, and over here you can see there is an option called App and VPN Configuration. This is for the custom VPN, which means if you're using a VPN with your own servers, from here in the settings you have to change the location of VPN. That is how we can do it, and these are the two ways on how we can change the location of VPN. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.